Hey everybody, JP here. Back by popular demand by the Alternative Food Network. My last pancake video was a huge success and they asked me to come back to make another video. So today we're going to be making a great veggie burger. I've been on the path to find a great alternative to a hamburger. Although I'm not calling it a hamburger by any means. A hamburger is a hamburger. This is a great recipe for vegetarians who want to or non-vegetarians who want to have less meat in their diet, and that's really what I was sort of set out to get when I found this recipe. I've looked at all kinds of recipes over the past couple of weeks, getting ready for summer and barbecue season. A lot of them did not hold together really well. So finally, after long last, I found the secret ingredient, which is quinoa. So today we're going to be making black bean and quinoa veggie burgers, and they work wherever you cook them, in the oven or on the grill, and they're really great and easy to make. Later today I have some vegetarians coming to a barbecue that we're having in the afternoon, and to keep them in the barbecue spirit, we're going to make them some veggie burgers. I'm doubling the recipe. You can make it however you want, but this calls for 2 cans of 16-ounce cans of black beans. We have here 2 eggs. We have 1 cup of breadcrumbs, a small onion diced, and a whole red pepper diced as well. You can use any color red pepper. It's really just for color. It's really up to you. We have 3 teaspoons of cumin, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now the recipe did call for garlic cloves. 1 or 2 garlic cloves is fine too. I just didn't have any for today, so I'm using garlic powder. And the recipe also calls for hot sauce. The whole recipe really has a Mexican kind of a feel. It's very tasty, obviously, with the beans. It does call for hot sauce. You can use barbecue sauce, ketchup, whatever you like, depending on your level of spice tolerance. The hot sauce is too spicy for me personally. This is barbecue sauce, but it is pretty spicy barbecue sauce, so it works just great. So the first thing you want to do is strain and wash your beans off from the can, drain them and strain them, and then you're going to mash them up. So the reason why I love this recipe was that there was no need for a food processor. A lot of the recipes I found require that. It's one extra step, one more thing to clean up. Really not worth it, in my opinion, especially when you got kids and a bunch of people coming over for dinner. Very easy, just get one of these. It's a masher, or you can use a fork and start mashing the beans until they're pretty much, you can leave some of them not mashed depending on for the style, the look of the burger itself. But really, you just want to get in there, just mash them up. Again, you can have a few of them that are whole that peek out in the burger. It looks kind of cool. The next thing you're going to do, and I don't think I mentioned this in the ingredients list, you need half a cup of quinoa. So you'll buy quinoa, you'll cook it, have it ready to go, and just dump it right in. Let it cool first if you can. If not, it's not the end of the world. But it makes it easier to handle because you're going to be mixing this together by hand. So you just put all that quinoa in. Okay. And again, real easy, just dump everything in. There's no correct order to do this. Probably your egg dough should go last, but in there. Your spices in. Stir, move the spices around. Okay, then we'll add our eggs. And then your breadcrumbs. Now it's time to get messy. You're going to mix this really by hand so that it really combines well. first just spread the breadcrumbs around. Make sure your hands are clean, get in there, and just really combine it all as best as you can. And I said before, the quinoa somehow absorbs so much moisture that these burgers hold together so well, like nothing I've seen before, and that means you can cook them anywhere, and you can, instead of baking them or frying them, you can put them right on the grill with everything else you're cooking. It's really, really good. That's so healthy. Either the grill makes it crispy as well, so now check out, and make like a little bit bigger than a golf ball if you want, or 2 golf balls, depending on how big or thick you want your patty. I mean, that is a real solid patty that's not going to break apart on however you cook it. So it's really great. Go ahead and make a bunch of these. You should get about at least 8 burgers from this batch by doubling it. I'll keep making these, and I'll come back and I'll show you how to cook them on the grill. And I'll show you the finished product. I'll be right back. Okay everybody, we're here. I got my grill nice and hot. Get these guys on the grill. Alright. So we're going to cook these for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Sorry. They held together perfectly. Okay everybody, so we got our burgers here from the grill. We got about almost 12 burgers from that batch we made. And I now have the burger here already topped. I added some sour pickles, spinach, and the bun. And you can add ketchup, mustard, whatever you prefer. So this is a great alternative to cut down your meat intake over the summer for barbecue season.